Welcome to Easy Startup, guys. My name is Max. I'm a Marquette Law grad. I've been a corporate attorney for over 6 years, and I've worked on everything from assisting on small claims to closing nine-figure business acquisitions. And even though I have seen some shit throughout my career, the most rewarding part has always been working with new and aspiring business owners in order to take their business ideas and turn them into reality, which is why I created my community on Skool, Easy Startup. And inside, not only will you get thousands of dollars worth of value from attorney-led education on what is an LLC and what benefits do they provide, how to create one step by step, and how to maintain it in order to make sure you get that personal asset liability protection. But you're also going to get a community full of supportive and motivated entrepreneurs that are going to go after the same thing that you are, which is to grow your business. So if that's you, if you want to learn how to create an LLC step by step, if you want to set the legal foundation for your business the right way, click join the community. It's totally free right now, up to 100 members, and I will see you inside.